Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download AnyTrans alternative for iPhone transfer step by step clearly. To download an AnyTrans alternative for iPhone transfer, start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type iPhone transfer software free download and press enter. Browse through the search results to find a suitable alternative. Look for reputable software options such as iMazing or Syncos. Once you've selected the software, click on the official website link. On the website, locate the download button, typically at the top of the page. Click the download button to begin the downloading process. After the download completes, navigate to your downloads folder. Find the downloaded installer file, which is usually in .exe or .dmg format. Double-click the installer file to launch the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. Select your preferred installation options as requested. Once the installation is finished, locate the software in your applications or programs list. Launch the software by double-clicking its icon. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. When prompted, grant permission for the transfer software to access your iPhone. You are now ready to use your chosen alternative for transferring files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.